Okay, take care. Nice little guy. I don't want to. Your food there. Okay, all set. All right. See you later. Delivered. Okay. Another annoyance is when it sends new offers as you're trying to, take a photo of the delivery you're trying to make. It just hijacks the whole screen and almost forces you to take an order you don't want to take. Then you have to cancel out of it because you don't know where it's going. And the usual. So then your cancellation rate goes up. It's great, huh?